Everybody, if you got a Bronco 2 88 or similar, this video I'm going to show a chromed out fuel tank, chromed out skid plate, what a single in, two out Flowmaster 440 muffler sounds like with stainless steel tips. So what we have here is not one, but two. These are 3 inches that taper down to 2.5. And then we have a Flowmaster single in, dual out. The inlet side's 2.5 inches. The out is 2 1/4 inch, and these are 2-inch pipes that go up and around as shown. This is a OEM catalytic converter, actually brand new, brand spanking new. Got maybe 20 miles on it. Bolted up with the flange, some custom bent pipes there, black finished Flowmaster exhaust that doesn't bottom out going over the axle. This is the sound just at idle. That's the bracket assembly. Welded on. And how about that? A chrome skid plate and chrome fuel tank. That's the fuel tank, that's the skid plate. And that's what the exhaust sounds like with that muffler, dual pipes. Pretty ridiculous.